If you're experiencing login errors on PayPal, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact PayPal support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to PayPal's customer support for assistance. They can help identify any account-specific issues or provide further troubleshooting steps. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login errors on PayPal. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.